Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an OA enrolment for a child and to create a customer account statement for that enrolment. To create this enrolment, you can go to the child's details page and click on their enrolments tab. And then you're going to click here to add a new CCS enrolment. The arrangement type you're going to select is the arrangement with an organisation. You would need to enter in the organisation name, for example, the Department of Children's Services, etc. You would then complete the enrolment as normal. And you will now see the child will now have a CWA or an RA, if applicable, and an OA enrolment. This allows you to create bookings under both the CWA and the OA enrolment. When going to the Child's Bookings tab, you can see on the left-hand side in the enrolment column the enrolment ID that helps identify which bookings are linked to which enrolment. So when creating those bookings for the child with the OA enrolment, you would select the applicable enrolment and select the days that child is going to attend under the OA. You would then complete this process for the CWA or for the RA enrolment. When it comes to distributing the customer account statement for the guardian and for the organisation, you would enter in the child's name into the filter, select the date range, and then you would click Advanced Filter. You can then tick the option Split CAS for OA, arrangement with an organisation. And when clicking Search, this splits out the customer account statement for the guardian, so the bookings under their CWA or RA enrolment. And if we scroll down, we will then see all of the bookings that are linked under the OA enrolment for the organisation. The name that you entered in against the OA enrolment, for example, the Department of Children Care, is the name that's displayed on that statement. This allows you to issue out the statement for the guardian and for the organisation individually. For further information on OA enrolments and splitting out the statement, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.